Yo guys, Dad gave me a 20 rand. I'm a 10 rand. I need to give his change. Why isn't the flash on now? But it's fine. I'm going to buy weed. I'm sick. How do I get sick after 1 week? I came home and I'm sick. Let me soak in some sun. It's actually lekker. Walking backwards? Not really. But now it's dark. I need to find a better spot. You see, this is not lekker. Okay. Like, where's my lighter? Oh, I got my lighter. I feel like I'm in a movie. Like I've done this before. It's because I've done this before, peeps. I haven't been back to the past or in the future. I'm no time traveler. I'm no time traveler. Let me walk in the shade and see if things are better. Things are a bit better. Yeah. There's too much of a glare. I need a better phone. Like, I'm planning on renting. So, Dad gave me this business of selling cans. So when I get some money, I want to go and invest my money in these cans. And I want to start loving life. I'm 30. I need to get a wife. And I need to strive for success. You know? I need to be willing to do this. Yunus, where's Hafiz Hamza? I need to speak to him.